all different level. And no matter what problem I have, we talk about private respect. You know, everything can just come for the next level for all of it. So, and the problem when can talk to one in the farm one group something. One group where everybody you know why couldn't talk over another.
Me look here, me do a group, me block it. Me block it. Now join a group with them.
Hold on, I think I need to.
Yeah, them already want to take out the man live. See that? They
Hold
want
on, I think I need to go inside now. Gunshot firing.
we try to Virgo.
Hold on, I come in.
Macka, you them something. I see him to me. I tell you, Macka. I see him to Virgo. But it's a gunshot fire. Him say, "Come to them place then." Top of his.
I think more go I know yeah, man. Cause we have to keep the atmosphere. I think of it.
Mrs. You know the Mrs. Macka no like problem. You know like wow.
Everybody knows that. Then call about me a what? Me never one name one girl call me one time. Every time they do something they start, they say to them, say, it's a better sense you put flow into it. You have to just understand people. When you come around, everybody come around uncle, you have to learn him, understand him. Everybody can't just come and want him to be like them. Everybody is different.
Came to be at him.
Came to them.
Yeah, but add him. Say add him.
Uncle laugh, Uncle say.
I forgot you want to come argue with
A burger, gone. Mr.
Wagwan, Macka.
Where you going with?
Yeah, man. I told to his story, like, remember, you know, uncle sometimes I understand what I go on. You understand? So here what happened, Macka. Then, yesterday, the day before yesterday happened, yeah. So, boom, now,
Wednesday.
yeah, so, obviously, I can't go live on this page because I reach 500, right? This is a page where we come over here so because show sometimes some baga go on and people scream recording and whatsoever. So me click my live now on my real page. Cause my page private, me block a whole heap of people. Like nobody that watch my live because me not really keep no bag of people over there. Anyhow, me click my live, I listen music, I cut up meat and go cook and whatever. So boom now, you know, you all the way a team, Macka. So me see them add me and the box click and me accept everybody in the box. So we did that build with vibes and we talking and Girly Brown come over there and start explain what happened to her in the day. So we not even know what going on. So she's the fair part of the story and then it gone and we start talking about fuckery, we talk about chum, we just argue. All of a sudden, Mr. Derrick over here, I say, oh, Kems and Girly Brown him over there, I click live for me. I carry me down, Ray. Somebody say, me kind of confused. Come here and say, where I click live? The woman just said something.
But if
Nobody never dare say nothing bad about Derrick. What we gonna say something bad about to say?
If you never click live, and you tell me up on my mat, when I come over on my mat the same night. When I come on my mat, if you never 10 minutes, girls will come on my live in the evening, you don't come on the live in the night.
But we never dare bring it down. We don't know where bring down part. That's why me not come up here and argue with Virgo. We go argue with Virgo for say. It's just one thing we have to say with him is that he make it seem like say with the over for me life, click my life just to bring down Derrick. What we gonna bring down
No,
Derrick?
no. Excuse me.
Alright, well yes sir.
Respectfully, please do not add me in the conversation. And I wasn't the one that go to Derrick and saying you guys had a live.
No,
I
Virgo,
said
you was on the live till the talk. Like you make it seem like say with the over my life I carry down
no.
Derrick.
What I was saying, I said if y'all had a problem, y'all are friends. It never have to reach for no live. Everybody depend on live attack. What them this and that. It's not lie. It was true.
Virgo, we wasn't talking about nothing bad on my life about Derrick. Me dep on the other phone I watch you and Derrick in the box and Derrick said because Derrick and Brownie Bun.
So you're telling me that I'm a liar then? That's what you're saying?
Of course. Cause we never did bring on Derrick. We're gonna bring on Derrick and say, what would we say about Derrick? What? Derrick just called me like 15 minutes after I say we post video for him. I'm telling you, I'm busy coming and cut up some meat. When we go talk about Derrick and say, me don't know nothing about Derrick. Me just come in the box and try to help him like everybody else.
Okay, Kim, I get your point of view.
Yeah, when me go say about look all right. Me even so kind of disappointed because enough time Derrick and catch up. And what me say, me not come between you and Virgo, ask him.
So
Derrick, you know, when we go over there and say,
nobody call your name and nobody felt away of you saying they don't want Girly Brown and nobody wanted you to apologize and nobody was calling your name. That's fine now.
we wasn't, in my box, Girly Brown wasn't asking for no apologize or nothing. And Derrick Vice told me night since night, and they said certain, some relative have called on him, so some people click live and say, he need to apologize. Me don't know nothing about that.
Alright, nobody said anything. That's it.
But as we said, Derrick, this never called for because nobody over upon my life wasn't talking bad about you. When they go talk about your bad and say, you get pissed off because Girly Brown was over there. Girly Brown actually in the box asleep when I cuss all the time, you know. Girly Brown not even know what going to scream because she's the things, man.
So when I said Danny wrong. Everybody said Danny wrong out there. You some done from when Danny come the next day and said, we said Danny, forget the argument. We don't want to hear. He said, all right there. My friend, this man in Ghana panic back again, he come up back again.
That's why I said we never know what go on because as we said when we clicked to my live, we wasn't remember some how me go just may was good 5 minutes and then 5 minutes me go over upon one level clicking and this. That makes sense? That don't make no sense. The woman just come and clear and talk just like when anybody come in your box and talk and talk.
Then part of it, she took it upon her head over there for me name. Like she a bully at top of the planet. Everybody wow, oh part of the one so why should be up so?
Me just think that after the after effect, after we over we live, I'm in the live and we talk and in same night because we have, because actually because we have, them probably take it out.
Derrick, you remember the night I came on your live, I'm going to say where everybody there. One man says scroll TikTok. I see a particular person, but when I click on the live, Macka, the live, is it that I said the live, the host, private the page, I couldn't go on it. So I said, Derrick, use your next phone and look what is going on. That's all I say.
No, very good.
So Derrick was looking for persons in his box and in it for his company. Everybody gone otherwise. That's what I look away like something was said or everybody something there. Come on.
Nothing was saying about Derrick over on my life. More than Girly Boy was just clearing our mind.
I never say on your live. Listen to what I said. I said for persons to be going elsewhere and going different direction. It seems as if something was said behind the scenes because normally under over here on the end of the night. Derrick saying the video for post on YouTube and say you don't post it.
Because me they cut I try to tell you, man, just talk like not too long, like 5 minutes or less. I'm telling you, I'm busy because I cut up me.
So by gathering all of that, he must say, oh, me never see smoke without fire.
So as I say, all of this not even call for me, that's why I can't even say, yo, like, fuck it, you know, that's it. Me not even go come back on no lie because so easily can get mixed up in a thing.
So cool she got talk and she don't answer because we over there LP man. Me don't answer because we over there LP man. And I tell what, I'm forcing me about. Me never forcing about. Why would you come up with that when me fuck you in that box?
Well, me just believe say after how the situation, me just believe say after how when we in the box and we wasn't talking bad about you, and then you start because everybody, me just feel like everybody just start get upset, and then they just start what they talk what they want to talk. So I saw me feel like that happened, but me no know, like as me said, when we over full life, we wasn't talking bad about nobody. Why we gonna talk about what we talk about Derrick say? We just start him just called me for like 5 minutes earlier. When we go come back on live in the next 5 minutes and talk about things, does that make sense? So that happened when everybody get upset because live, they're clicking live and things that we over there listening. And we wasn't.
Listen. Me and people them the first time too much years now. I prefer see one somebody keep an argument to run come over in that box. Come over in that box. I miss the box. I bring me down. Talk about that.
But Mitchie used to bring down Pepper too. Me depend on the live and hear Mitchie bring down Pepper.
That's why I'm saying.
Derrick, I can't bother all of these because me can't bother.
Yeah, I let me say. That's why I said me let's go to sleep because as I said, it's so easy for people to get mixed up and as this song go viral, one piece of passa because everybody easily getting a passa.
But if not mix up James, listen, him not wanting Girly Brown on the live. Remember, Uno no come on him live, Uno de on live. If I want people over there do that, you have to look on that too, you know.
But Virgo, we was on the live before Derrick.
I understand that you weren't even doing that, but may I say why everybody gonna separate?
No, but never separate Virgo. You all we just there talk. And we talk, I say, hold away in the box at night time, you hold away a friend. Just like if, as I say, if you pass through my life, I see me go add it to my box. You hold away a friend, I hold away in the box at night time, I try to talk to the people, I give them story, and them try to make things happen. So when me here...
Tell Kevin when they join the team. Tell him where the team name.
Oh, somebody must have said to this, they name team hypocrite.
Right.
Because then say I saw over here say them a hypocrite. So that's why they say okay we're team hypocrite. But they don't mean it that way. They know this attack that's true what Uno said that. But I say in a car for this, believe you me. Me not think you should reach right that's so. You know what I mean? Me not think you should reach right that's so because as me say in the beginning we wasn't even talking nothing about Derrick. But Derrick wasn't live and we just did that talk and then now with Girly Brown just they state fear, you know what happened, and we just say okay, and we change the topic and we're gonna talk about Trump and we talk about politics and blah blah blah. Because you wasn't live, and when you come live now and see who all the way over there now and you and Girly Brown and a friend, you probably think we over there and rub you. When we go rub you and say we don't have nothing to say about you, may just talk like 5 minutes. While in the next 5 minutes we will come over, click one live for you and say there it is, there it is.
So alright, Mr. the panel live, if Mr. knows say I forgive me, why Mr. I want to argument come on, Mr. about a store, about the thing, right? Mr. about a story. I can see him call and over something. I don't want to run me. Somebody want to say my enemy against me. Yes, a long time I tell you, a long time I never want. But the boy back away. Put your machine. And call and Casey I talk about it. But she don't give me money. I mean I want she because I want money. I cost it money. I make video for me. I cost me never ask her for money. She said give me money. Never ask her for nothing.
And really and truly, me don't know most of the story. I don't know nothing about most of this story. Because me I wake up to see scream recording all over the place. Scream recording and the scream recording and that. So me don't know what going. Only thing I know, I just immediately click the live and them we over there talk about normal stuff. We wasn't picking side with Girly Brown and say, yo, Derrick to go down and Derrick this and Derrick that. We wasn't doing that. Right? Girly Brown our friend, so she go come in our box and she go talk and nothing bad. She to place nothing bad.
Brother, see look at hypocrite, where she go? Me give up that and the rubbish fan. Come off for this year, I don't want you wait. Come off. Get off. Come off. Don't come back here, so. Me ain't a friend, don't come here, so. No, we are coming out, over come here, so. Don't come here, so, but you have to put up finger. Come off here, so. Me ain't a friend, I don't want people like but sit down class. Don't come here, so.
So Virgo, yeah, me did it on the live when I say you're kind of disappointed, you know what I mean, because me click live, yo. I wasn't bringing down nobody for my live. So nobody couldn't come and say, yo, Kems them over there this and this no Derrick or no. No, you know, why? Why me go do that? Me prefer call him and say, yo, Derrick, you know, something like that. Ask him anything I'm not like me, tell him. Right in the day he call me and I say something about Mishibo. Then somebody say, careful Mishibo. And I say, Uncle, don't worry about that, man. I say, people them go stay enough time, they go in their box and say, you know, Kems at this are, you know, even Virgo, I saw them steer, you know what I mean? I saw people them steer, so you can't follow what everybody says, you just follow your mind and stop follow what people are saying. So I just as I said, this is bigger than me, and that's why I say, you don't steer on. I want to corner and just watch where I go, because you never did have a reach to this. Believe you me, you never. Because we never, in the first place, we never was on any live. You can ask anybody what they over there, so we never did disrespect you or no. So, you know what I mean?
When you call me and tell me, say, Kems, the live, I'm going to say, me I go over there, go look. No, you call me and tell me, say, them the live.
Yeah.
I'm going to call you back and say, me cannot see the live. So I think the person is private.
Yes.
I think the person private the page or whatever.
Yeah.
Me can't see the live. I'm going to turn to you and say, me I'll come in your box and you use your next phone and listen to the live. Or we don't listen to the live through your live, yes, so.
Yes, and we have phone
Exactly.
and I watch everything.
Don't make it seem as if it's me call him and tell him to do that.
No. I wasn't saying that. You didn't do that. Because me Derrick. And Virgo no more, I never do that. Because me always tell Virgo, so me never go come between him and Derrick. So why me go over there and diss up them? And Derrick knows that any problem me have, ask him, me call him and tell him. I say, yo, me not like this, you know, I don't do this. Sometimes, enough time, me still go post video with people. I say, Derrick, don't do this. You don't go create more problem.
I come today now, and me depend the live with one of my fake page. I ever made this page in the comment section, Derrick, be careful of Virgo, be careful. When someone mute it, I'm black it, next one arrive. Someone mute and black, one next one arrive. When I check
what am I saying?
I it to my friend, because my friend over check the IP them being on the page.
Yeah.
And it shows that somebody in America do it, they be on the page.
What am I doing?
I am saying, before all of this drama, everybody live good. You never used to see them in the comments in the comment section. Everybody either laugh, everybody either send them gift or whatever. Oh, all of a sudden my name being mentioned in the comment section. And the same thing over like them repeat or them lose them CD scratch. Be careful of Virgo because Virgo are character business. Me ever discuss you yet? Derrick with you, Kems?
Never.
Okay.
Never. And me never discuss you with Derrick yet.
Never.
When if Derrick go say something to me, Mr. Derrick, ask him, see him there. Me now go between you and Virgo. You and Virgo stick yourself in a real life every day.
It make me think no, I'm human being. It make me think no, I may have sense. It make me think no because of the whole drama. Me gonna say I must somebody over there start do it. It have to be somebody be where in the drama now we are going, they be in the page. It have to be because it never used to come in the comment section.
You don't have to think like that, of course. But me couldn't tell it directly.
Everything, as they say, it was never that. And
yeah, it wasn't like that. That's why when I say something and I comment Virgo, because man said Virgo wasn't over there. Virgo shouldn't say me weird, like make it look like say we're over there. He group up on Derrick. Why we go group up on Derrick and Derrick knows me call him and say Derrick. Ask Derrick how much video me stop him from make the people.
I say my group up. I said Derrick, them have a number. All them have to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Never they have to come on the ear. That's all me been and say. But when I say me I get involved now, and me I hear bits and pieces that people are ring my name. Is that's how me I vent now and I say, oh me reach this thing and me there show up for the live and say no want and they might involve me and like say me I do this and whatever.
Exactly. So that may I say because everything was shocking to me. Because even right now, I'm still confused. God, because as I say, me just over there, we are talk like how we are talking in the box at night time. And we are talking about chump, we are talking about barda, we are talking about business, we are talking about wig, we are talking about. And so we are talking, but they were clicking live now and see when they over there now and girly going over there. So him feel like so now we over there, I bring him down. And we wasn't do that. And he just go off. I'm keep
and that's how Derrick is because I remember when me and him the to talk. I've used to other people live and they them back. Him call me and you depend my name with the people that may know me. I'm enemy with them. And so I understand that. So my name all comes back down to my name not fearing.
I might have to tell you.
But Barton come in over here, but them over in a car, but them can't in a car, them a car Derrick name over the came. They come in.
No, when Barcelona come up, well, you mean like today our day when she was in my box? Which one?
Yeah, when the time when no call me name came.
No, we wasn't calling the name in no bad way. I might have to tell a girl about did just explain what happened in the day. And then that passed. And I was oh, okay. So when we see it coming into a big argument now, I say that me kind of like confused. I say, like, enough time that happened and the next day everybody good again. So when you start cuss and things that we over there rub you, and we wasn't doing that. And so comes down, me get confused because we just start about it for like a minute and we're going to talk about chump and when he come in a power and blah blah blah. Nobody never did disrespect you.
And when that don't know, so
Yeah.
why come back to your friend?
I don't know nothing about that either.
Early in the morning.
I don't know. I a scream record me I see. I see scream record and I guess because the whole everything go down, people know probably hurt about certain situation. Well, me can't talk for nobody. I understand you have to put them in the box and them talk. Me I talk for myself. Say me don't know what go on. Me wasn't nobody in my box wasn't bringing you down. Simple.
What kind of earth? Them earth. What kind of blood that earth? Them earth. What kind of? What am I talking now? What am I hypocrite? Me not gonna earth me earth. Me say we do no one. Me tell girl come and tell me when girl come for them a laugh and I go around me not add burger in the box. Much time that I'm to work.
Enough time. I'm just keep a composure. I'm keep it moving. Enough time.
All the time. Always, and when I come to the argument, Virgo probably say, and here, me say me not come between you and Virgo. Me say the black and Virgo already, I'm Virgo.
Alright, Ken, let me say something. I think Derrick doesn't like the whole nagging with Girly Brown. She will see my eat one crackers. Uncle, what that you eat? Him say crackers. Crackers and what? Where you get it? You know them people there so in the light there's something
totally
there.
Understand. Me know that because and Girly Brown know that too. You know what I mean? Girly Brown, I'm a friend. I mean I go beat you on
the bush. But do it jokingly, but if you understand that somebody doesn't like something, don't prolong it.
And of course, when I say that.
No time I look a joke and him say Virgo when they depend that I'm just shut up.
Long time she had the Virgo, long time you know listen with me. Long time she had if they don't stay anybody part, I want a part, I want that. All them fuck you. I don't want me to can't bother with that.
Because Virgo, you know, the night, everything kick off, you know, me think said everything done, you know. In the day now when time is situation when Girl Brown there try to go back in the box and he start back again. And then now me now getting the me don't want to put it. Me getting at the middle then. Cause me don't even know what I go on. You understand? So me just
me get at the middle. You know why I say me get at the middle the night when the person remember that Derrick don't live at one house by himself, it's a business place. If him even call somebody for ask somebody for do something for him and the person company the big outburst of fear make him something there. Somebody pass in the live or whatever, me to put on my phone, Mongo you say, whoa, what I was looking like somebody snatch me. Here when somebody says somebody look like a snatch Derrick phone, because then I say Derrick. So me come up and I say, what am I? Them tell me, I say, me go try call him. I don't know if nobody there on the live, they don't come and chat. Anybody there the night, so I say, me go try call him.
Me hear everything was going because me see, he depends on
I try call him and nah answer. Him come back and start cussing and say,
yeah, depends on
call, me see it.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it. But as I said, that's why I don't know if we can even do this because any idea we can. Me not go on like
it
say.
Sound good. It does sound good.
Yeah, it does sound good because we can't. You know, like that let her down because
everybody there as one.
You love
it
Derrick.
Sound good. If you tell no one Girly Brown, I shall do breeze off. You know Derrick still came by 2-3 days.
Yes, you're right.
Either together or whatever. Or whenever I'm calm down or whatever. Yeah, we'll just have work with but not fear catch up on that feelings and I say apologize and then feel away and like
no,
it seems that it's like a team up.
Wait, remember saying that Derrick a big man if you never apologize, I feel.
But not gonna apologize. Me know Derrick good. They're not gonna apologize.
You not gonna do it. But what may I say is this, like with Girly Brown situation, like me, now gonna come between Girly Brown and Derrick, cause Girly Brown love Derrick. It's just that sometimes she not understand Derrick.
Love me.
She don't
You know what I mean?
understand them.
Because
She don't. That's what Macka said earlier. You have to understand people if they're own.
yes, you notice that me coming in the box and sometimes I say some things because me know how to make him cuss sometimes and when to keep him calm. And me study him, me know how he operate. You know what I
Me
mean?
used to read out the comments them from my Instagram and behind the scenes when he's not on live. I'm say Virgo, when me made it on live, you know, read out all of the comments them now. Once me give moderator, just move some of them.
Yeah.
You know when for drop in no one then I read and I said there.
Team. The team. The evil team.
Glad you're there.
The girl talk a BS, you know, the girl that a bust out. You know, the most of them a bust out. You know, you send them a bust out.
I mean, I say most of the time, on the time I see things up on screen recording, I mean, then me come watch it live. Me no fight things that me not know what going on. I can't go say what me not know. You understand? Me now come over here and say, me shit this or, you know what I mean? No, me not go do it. You know what I mean?
If this never come up, you wanna know say I'm missing them and I'm not with me. I'm missing them attack a bit team.
But Derrick, you're from the older school. In other words, old time people always say if you don't mash cockroach, you don't know what in the belly.
Stop there. And she hands and glove with me at the night time.
So Virgo, I just got there happen, Virgo. Me just stay over my life and when it's a talk normal, it wasn't bringing down nobody. And anybody were over they can type in the comments and we would never do that.
So why,
you know what I mean?
Tim, you did that time. So why I know she bought up things. Like she know me fan over here.
And the person the behind of the page is that they want to put up Derrick against because them been and say watch Derrick, Virgo the nice, very.
So the people them
Some of
stay,
you
and
with
I
the page,
tell him.
some of block the page, them come back with the next page. And when we look, the followers are like 50 followers, 40, 10, 16 followers. So these are fake pages. So it is just that one person doing that.
She said the girl said when she come and she asleep, I force her to come back in a box. So she say,
John, no, it's sad.
what am something for? When she attack her, they want something for her. I never do missing nothing, you know. I never do missing nothing.
Derrick just play, as I say, entertain the people them you normally do it. Keep your box now and then if you want to and just play beer match and make you look up money on TikTok.
Yeah.
No,
That's really
When 100 people over here and then now say they don't play beer match. God will send a bless come.
oh, come on, tell me there and me get. When I look on them.
See you there today and them start saying now we're getting a gift. A Chris from England come and give you.
Oh, yeah, I mean, too much hard time. Me get this, me get that. You not talk to me. You could never get no camera in the back of people down.
As we say, me just not like the negativity and me sorry how you reach yourself and I mean really like
I know what happened, but I don't know nothing. You know, not like that. I
what's
just
the Macka?
what happened with those things are just you have to just stay focused on them because
Yeah, Macka. People will be able to play man. People will be able to be there. They might bring me down. If this never goes on, she uno. So she not with me long time. I let the girl say, and every day she not in box. And she run over paper like with my name, what and paper, not back with paper. Make a fix paper tomorrow. Make a fix her tomorrow. Wait till I did it out. We go on the road.
like I said, Kem said this not supposed to. This not just.
Yeah. You shouldn't read that so and you just give more that's me willingly like come over here and give Derrick ideas, you know, because an idea you make me laugh and you know what I mean? I mean come over here, see all the logo there. I not talk for what me do, but I say like we over here to make a team. We make out see the logo, we try to make him a team. Even in the park.
We were tired, we can't move tonight.
Well, if I'm moving, I'm just saying that's the thing with the uncle. You have an understanding of certain things and everything you're quick to judge. You understand?
Derrick, have a calm down to you know and listen. Calm down. You have this.
No, never them I got talk about almost they didn't give me go. I mean, never go to me.
Virgo, listen to me, Virgo. You sensible. You're a youth West Somali because Mary is the race, right? In the box. The thing with Derrick, sometimes he not have a fully understanding when somebody talk to him, and then he take it the other way. You understand? That's why I see him with easily and people get in a field with, because sometimes he not have a fully understanding, and you not even. Me I don't know how to explain and put it, but as me said,
you get to realize a part. If you don't notice me when you come in that bank, sometimes I'll drop a seat because me all the time.
Yeah, because the sister sometimes you not fully understand certain things where I say.
When you not get to know uncle, if versus somebody new, they always come with too much opinion. And what they need to do is learn and understand him first.
Yeah.
And then some people just come with too much talk.
Look at Macka. When I come in the bank, first I mentioned she doesn't nobody no chance and can be tell the truth. When she come in the bank, she doesn't nobody. She doesn't. So I'm tell her. I'm gonna keep myself quiet. Tell her enough time. And it's up. Where's the camp? Wait. I sometimes want to get up eager and find you sometimes. Tell the truth.
Sometimes everybody just want chill, and then everybody just take them time, get to know and understand what's going on. And then, things will just better. If you come and like,
and then it's be a problem.
People when they are people when they're on uncle before me. Me can't come go and say we know him before nobody are. You have to just chill. No matter where you want to do or how much where you want really. People have their life before.
Look at what she calls right you. She calls right you. I reckon never rank about the company like what here. You're not good. See me too.
Do that, right you.
Good night, everybody. Good night. Uncle, who brother Michi?
Nice.
You see on the wall again.
All right, I got drag she blood clot a long time. I don't wait for this. Let me Macka, sorry for disrespect. Michi, move your blood. Watch. A long time I want uncle deal with you. Macka, let me tell you why I go drag her. Let me tell you why I go drag her. Let me tell you, Macka. She dragged me for no reason at Uncle Box. I mean, watch her every minute and she call me look at dirty garbage. Michi, move your dot. Watch. Uncle, drag she right to the dot, right to the mud. I was waiting for this day. Drag her. Macka, close your eyes, okay? Close your ears. Close your ears. Drag she right now. Drag she from hell to heaven. All over. Drag she all in the mud. Everywhere you are, drag her. Drag. And we go help you. We go hold the foot, you hold the hand, and we drag she everywhere. A long time you ready for me. Macka, some me not doing the thing. You understand me? But she always in Uncle Box and she drag me and she call me worthless, dirty man, Roy Q. She call me all kind of Kems, you know that too.
Nobody can.
Kems, you know that too.
Like you, she just a drag it just so?
Yes, the last time me and uncle had the thing, you understand me? She in the back, she said, dirty right, you not. Let me tell you something. They watch her from the other page and I listen to her. And if you hear she drag me, Michi, we're gonna drag you from hell.
Me never.
You hear her since night and say she never liked me from day one.
Yo, Virgo, you know what she saying? You know what she say in the comment? Yo, listen carefully to Macka. Michi, I used to come on this live, right? And Michi and I used to laugh and everything. When I'm watching Michi from my page, Michi said, me never like right you from day one. Me say, where the blood clot this? How you never like me, but yet still you laughing with me all these weeks, months you laughing with me, and you're telling me you never like me? I'm like, Uncle, when you're ready to jog her, hold her by her foot, and we go hold her by the hand. And we're going to draw.
I have paper with my name, I have paper, I'm paper and
we're going to draw. Listen, you see, a long time I wait for this day. I know this day was going to come.
Because I don't want to find about. I just say I don't want to go back them back. I don't want to apologize to worry about. I look what you do, yo.
Hold on a second. Let me see me go green screen. So Ono can see what she look like. How you do? Oh, me can green screen.
Look for Enan.
It's an old man. That's why it's a
one heap pasta area.
It's a very old man. Let me tell you, how am I going to do this, man? How am I going to send the old face?
Big back team, Derrick, and make him click on Enan.
Yeah, I forgot to send Derrick the old man page. Old man.
She said somebody must have accidentally get her picture. Me or she has it since day.
No. I was on live one time. And she did a show the place and she don't know how to use the phone. and she show she face and we screenshot it right away. She never did know for sure. She never did know for sure. She
What heap of pasta,
and
pasta. I would
she
just have the Derrick little
by accident is an old man.
Derrick say,
To disrespect Mr. IQ. And nobody will go say, them apologize to Mr. Rai. I mean, never go about notice and me say me don't come in the box.
Yeah, man. She said she never liked men and kind of thing. No, she's an old woman with a young voice. Hold on a second. Let me see which page the person posts. Hold on a second. Which page them post? Hold on a second. All right, hold on. You see?
play the song.
I'm gonna turn on the camera and gonna look on the face. Hold on a second. I'm going to draw.
Play the song, Derrick. One heap of pasta, pasta. Play the song
From the time she said to me, I never like you. I'm like, how are you gonna be? Let me turn on this camera. Hold on, guys. Take a good look.
The next phone and play the song in the
Hold on,
meantime.
I'm gonna turn on the camera now. Switch phone. Okay.
On
Hold on.
YouTube, one heap of
Just
pasta,
watch
pasta.
that beef, yeah, man, and just move on.
Hey, check him out. No, not question with she. Not with her. Sorry. She disrespect me for no reason. You'll connect using audio. No, me
But
want.
Kems know her behavior too, you know.
Oh, you can't see?
No, we can't see nothing.
You can't see?
No.
No, we can't see.
Turn on your camera.
Oh, CTSC.
Watch your song.
When the young girl, that people man.
Right here too, lie.
No, look upon her name in the box. You don't see the name there?
Yeah, for true.
Look, and she mute. Look, good guys. That is it. That is it.
You can't put any big
Jesus
bag.
Christ. You're
Look there.
putting that a big box.
It can't. But you see the name under there? You see it cannot. You see the name under there? Look at it.
Brother, scream to the brother.
You see the name? You see the name? That's the name. That's the troublemaker. I told you.
Bitch, you have 24 hours to come out and prove can you this.
Macka, forgive me, please, okay? But she dragged me for no reason.
Mitchie, you have 24 hours to come and prove to the whole TikTok.
You see the name beside it. You see the name right there. That's the name right there. You guys see the name. You guys see the name, right? So it can't. This can't be makeup. This can't be makeup. It's ready.
Somebody say yes, it's her. They mistakenly open her camera.
Then screenshot that.
We grab it.
Right there. Old face, young voice.
One heap of pasta here, so.
Mr. Rice, send to me every done. Never could have done.
One heap of pasta.
Nobody could have tell us we apologize to you. And I'm apologize to you. Burger, screen to the burger.
Right there, screenshot.
I grab it long time.
So they come to me later, I post that tomorrow.
And you can't say it's a lie because her name is right there. You see the name in the
and she
back.
mute the mic.
So you cannot say